Hello guys. Today I will show you how to fix blurry text in Full HD laptops. You can see that the icon labels and several other texts are clear, whereas the texts in the Manage option and some when you right click such as the NVIDIA control panel are blurry. To fix this we need to customize the DPI or the scaling options of the display. For that, right-click the desktop and go to Display Setting. Now click on Advanced Scaling Options. And type in 125 in the below column. Click over Apply and sign out or restart your laptop. After restarting, now check the Manage option or the Services. You will notice that the texts that appeared blurry before is now crystal clear, just like the other texts. So guys, this how you fix blurry texts in FHD laptops or gaming laptops. And thanks for watching.